great friends. It's Holly Stout coming to you live from, well, my office. You know, we just recently launched a brand new product that I'm really proud to share some additional tips and tricks with you, our special friends, in a way that you can help understand and help educate about the importance of wearing sunscreen. Today's customer doesn't really need to know that wearing sunscreen is important. They already know that. What's the most important thing about sunscreen is where you have an advantage, and that's on training how to use sunscreen properly. Our new Aloe sunscreen is SPF 30 with UVA and UVB protection. It has a natural mineral called zinc oxide designed to sit on the surface of the skin and reflect the rays of the sun. Now, zinc is a natural mineral and it's by nature white, like a chalky color. And I've heard that some people are saying when they put it on the skin it's a little whitening. So I'm going to show you today how to properly use this sunscreen. First of all, you're going to apply a small amount. Can you see that there? This is the right amount for my arm, and then you're going to use your entire palm. You're going to see the whiteness, but the whiteness is going to allow you to see the application, and it's going to go away very quickly, and you're going to know that your skin is covered. Now, obviously, it being a natural mineral zinc oxide, if you put too much and you use too much of that abundant sunscreen, it's going to be a little bit more difficult to rub in, and this is where you're getting comments. All you need to do is educate people that a small amount in this highly concentrated formula